Hello mga kaputika, ngayon lang sinipag mag-edit ng Thailand vlog, kaya naman samahan niyo ako. Mga kaputika, day 1 in Thailand. Uy, Thailand! Pero yun na nga, nandito po kami ngayon sa Thailand. Bawal ko pang ipakita yung mga ibang kasama kasi hindi sila nagpaalam. Charing! Pero yun na nga, ang airfare na nakuha namin. Ako, personally sa akin kasi may baggage. Ang total ng sa akin is 14,399.03 kasama na po doon yung round trip ticket, travel tax, tapos yung iba pang charges or something, airport fees, something ganyan. Then mamaya, may kasama na rin na parang insurance. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan kung ano yung mga, anong tawag doon? Itemize. Yan, papakita ko na lang dyan kung ano yung mga binayaran namin. 6 days and 5 nights kami dito. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung tirahan namin. Ngayong araw lang kami nagpabook. Ang galing, be! Ngayong araw lang kami nagpabook. And then, papakita ko sa inyo and sasabihin ko mamaya kung magkano yung rate. Nandito na kami. Ito yung hotel na nabook namin. Yan. May swimming pool dyan sa baba. Yan. May 3 bed. Yan, may aircon naman tayo. Aircon talaga. May TV. Ano yan? Complimentary po ba yung tubig?
I think so.
Tapos, ito yung CR nila. Yan.
So, pwede natin on.
So, yun lang. Ito yung kabuuan ng room. Nagbibilingan na po sila ng mga epektos. Pero yun na nga, yung room namin dito, nakuha lang namin ng, magkano na kasi to? 12,137.73 pesos. Good for 6 packs to. Pero 5 lang kami. I-divide namin ng 5. Parang pumapatak lang ng 400 plus. Isang tao per day. So, yun, napakamura na nakuha namin. Biglaan lang, kanina umaga lang kami nagpabook. Tapos, yun, buti na lang meron. Tingnan nyo, malapit din kami sa 7-Eleven. Yan. Ayun yung 7-Eleven. Punta tayo dyan. Siopaw, siopaw. Ano to? Minced pork with salted egg. Mainit pa. Ito yung laman, oh. Chow fan. Spicy chicken steak, 69 baht. Tapos, ito, fried chicken. 79 baht.
Fried chicken steak.
Kaso ito, wala silang mga rice. Tapos ako, nag-siopaw lang ako. Yan. Ang tawag dito? 37 baht naman ito, mangga, na may alamang. Kuya, magkano to?
39.
39 baht, para siyang chow fan. Tapos, meron silang rice. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng rice lang, 15 baht. Kasi yung mga tubig, parang mapatak lang ng 14 baht yung sa amin. Ito, 20 baht. Yun yung tunog. Nandito kami sa Siam Paragon. Dito kami nag-almusal din. Diba? Almusal namin kanin. So, yun na.
Hindi normal sa kanya.
Yan. Food court. Then, ito yung order ko. Masaman beef. 90 baht. Anong tawag yun, kuya?
Pork intestine.
185 baht.
235.
235
Pork
baht.
knuckle.
Yan.
Pork knuckle.
Wala pang ano yan, ha? Wala pang rice yan. Additional rice. Tapos,
75 baht, 3 dishes.
3 dishes. Then, chicken biryani. Uy, bagong-bago, ha? 70 baht. Sarap yung timpla nila.
Parang hindi magbago yung ito.
Kukunin nila yung card.
Nalibre pa palang sabaw. So, bumili ako ng ice milk tea nila. 45 baht. Yan. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kailangan pang i-load yung card nila bago makabili nito. Kasi may mga store na nagbebenta, tumatanggap ng cash. Pero yung iba, kailangan mo pa yung parang e-card, parang ganyan. So, yan. Masarap din, ha? Pero kulay orange siya sa atin kasi 'di ba may pagka brown ganyan. Pero yung sa kanila, ganito yung kulay, may pagka orange.
Kailangan na siya.
Sarap. May kakaibang lasa compared dun sa atin. Ito kami ngayon sa December's. Malapit sa Platinum. Ang dami nilang mga gamit na mura dito. Hindi mo na kailangan makapagtawaran compare dun sa labas na sobrang mahal yung price. Hindi naman sobrang mahal. Mas pricey compare dito sa loob. So yan. Bumili si Doc. Tignan nyo naman. Mga pantulog. 150 pesos. Ay, 150 baht. 150 baht. Ayan o. Ang dami rin pala dito o. Tapos yung ibang taong pumupunta dito, nagla-live sila. Nagla-live selling sila. Pwedeng mag-video dito, pwedeng mag-live selling, ganyan. Daming mapapamili dito. Uy! Dami. Ganda nito. Ganun siya pag nakasuot. May iba-ibang kulay. 350 baht. Yan, 200, 150 baht. Ay, ito. Kumuha din ako isa niyan. 150 baht. Ililibot ko na lang kayo. Ooh. So, ito yung name ng place. December's. Oh no! So dami!
Feeling ko magdadagdag siya.
So,
Papadagdag ako ng...
ito yung tsura sa labas. Merong mga street foods dyan. Ito. Tapos sa gilid, December's. Yan. Maraming building. Marami yan ha. Third floor yata. Dried fruits nila dito. 100 baht per piece. Per pack no, Doc? 100 baht. How much is this? 100 din yung mango sticky rice nila. So, yan. Meron din sila mga fruits. Platinum, tignan nyo yung mga pantulog. 250. Isang set. Dito, 250, 290. Ayun yung mga price. 350 pa nga yung sa taas, oh. Yan. Nandito na kami ngayon sa, Platinum Mall. Medyo, mas mataas compare dun sa December. Fine. Yan.
Elephant na lang.
Ang ganda.
Ang cute.
Ang ganda ng mga dress.
Ang cute, diba?
Ito, 200 sa taas. Dito, 350. 350, 250. Ibang-iba yung price.
Free size, no
Grabe.
large size.
How much is this? 100? Oh, 100 baht, B.
Go to 200.
Oh.
No discount.
Isa din sa mga hinahanap namin dito. 100 baht. Okay lang yung design, be. Ay, dalawa yata. Dalawa yan. Maganda yun. Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng Platinum Mall. So yan, nakita nyo may mga street foods dyan. Pwede kayong kumain din. Diba? 200 baht. 100 baht. 200 baht. Magkano to, be?
200.
200 baht. Pad Thai. 100 baht. Ano yan? Parang kanton lang, no? Tapos sa akin, mango sticky rice. 100 baht. Pan-rated ba ito? Tapos ganitong kanto.
Aman na kaya.
Like seafood.
Ano ba na
Ano ito kay kuya? Chicken?
Beef? Ay, pork?
Pork pad thai.
Mas masarap to pagka mas maraming ganito.
Wala sa peanut.
Mas masarap pag may ganito, mas marami. Okay? Okay ba yan? Okay.
Okay, rate na natin. 8 out of 10. Okay na, pero iba yung lasa ng mangga. 9 out of 10. Ito, 5 over 5. Tignan nyo naman, di na ubos. Ito din, 2 out of 10. Charing. Pero yun na nga, parang pancit canton lang na nilasahan. Ito malansa, pero inubos na lang namin kasi nga sayang. Malansa talaga siya. Pad Thai, 1 million out of 10. Ang sarap nito talaga. Alam mo, Putika, dito namin dito sa Thailand, nag-rent na lang kami ng sasakyan. Bali, 6 kami sa sasakyan kasama yung driver. Ang rate namin is 2,800 baht. Good for 8 hours na yun. Then, additional 250 baht kapag exceeding na per hour. So, yan. Magbe-breakfast muna kami dito. Kasama sa booking namin, itutour kami nung driver namin. Driver namin, babae. Yan, si ma'am. Yan. Bait ni ma'am. Kasama sa package namin na itutour niya kami sa magagandang places dito sa Thailand. Hindi kasama yung mga toll gate ha. Rent a car lang, yung driver, yung tour. Ayun lang yung kasama sa 2,800 baht. So, ito yung itsura ng McDo nila. Meron silang kakaibang menu dyan. Yan. Coffee ng McDo, 120 baht. Tapos kumuha ko ng egg muffin with egg, something ganyan. 69 baht. So, yan. So, andito kami ngayon sa zoo. Ito yung pangalan ng zoo nila. At dahil nga zoo to, medyo malawak, mag-rent kami ng ganyan sasakyan. Ganyan ba, be?
Golf cart.
Ang sabi nila, 700 baht. Yan, bayad mo na tayo. Papakain ka ng deer, 30 baht. Yan.
ท้องของเขานะครับเป็นสีขาวล้วนแล้วก็มีขนที่ใบหน้าของเขาเป็นสีขาว
Nasabay kami sa mga field trip. Bi, ang laki. Hippopotamus. Na nga, winarningan kami sa mga monkey dito kasi yung iba talaga aggressive sila. Yan, nangunguha ng gamit kaya dapat wag iniiwan yung mga gamit. Tignan nyo, oh. Kinuha niya yung gamit yung iba. Rhino.
Ganito against that.
Flamingo. Yan. May bear dito. Meron pa dito. Ang laki pero hindi masyadong makita. Ano yan? Ano ka?
Hindi naman. Pero bear daw yung nandito eh.
Parang ano, dagis.
Moose beer.
Oh. Ang cute, hindi siya shy type. Giraffe. Meron din dito. Giraffe. Kaso against the light.
Should be excellent examples to the younger generation, leading them to be good individuals and treat others nice.
carving department has run. Here our wood carving artists making different deities and decoration pieces for the museum, and all are manual, handwork, and each piece here will visit up in the museum. Okay everyone, after the tour you can come back again here, and the wood carving artists of wood, and the dimension of 1/10, 1 centimeter here.
So ito yung maliit na version niya, no?
So no nails, used for selling. So they hang like this, and no nails everyone, just wood joint technique. Okay everyone, so on that side is our museum. First of all, this is not temple. I repeat, this is not temple. It's museum and contemporary art. Here they mix different traditional artwork, which means 4 different art built in 4 different direction, and the design is inspired from our ancient royal palace named Pratinang Sampat. The first one on the top roof has 5 tiers from lowest point to highest point bodybuilding, which is composed from window, windfall, and floor. And below one is the base. Base has 3 layers everyone. Compassion. And below the 3-headed elephant sculpture, and the man is riding on them. That one is Indra riding Erevat, and that is symbolizing good leadership, which is very rare. And that box look like thing is elevator, the only mechanical machine here we have for disabled people, old age people, and children. Now again, I have to... Okay everyone, I need your attention. Inside the museum, no sport. This way everyone, let's start our tour from this point, and step by step we will explore all the museum. This way everyone, thank you. This way everyone, turn right, thank you so much everyone. Oh God. So all human being body are compounded from these 4 elements. The first element is the element of earth, which represents forest and animal, and water, which is referred to our blood, urine, plasma, and other liquid in our body. And the third one is the element of fire, which is referred to our body temperature and emotion. And the last one is the element of air, which is the breath of life, and it's repair gas and air in our body. We didn't bring anything with us. When we will die, we didn't take anything with us. And even the lyrics of Buddha also showing us that even Buddha can't escape the death. But what he gave to us is philosophy of life to follow. Hold your helmet.
So yan, ang ganda. Sulit yung 500 baht na entrance dito. Oh, nagtaga rin ni Manong. Hindi, kalikalimbang manin ni Manong ko. Mag-sister react dito ikit. Pero yun na nga, by group yung pagpunta namin dito. Meron sila mga English translator na tourist. For tourist na English translator. Huy, sabaw na. Tapos, meron ding mga Chinese. Iba-ibang language. Iba-ibang group. So, yan. Hindi natatapos yung renovation nila. Kasi nga, puro kahoy. Hindi sila gumagamit ng mga concrete, mga pako, something ganyan. Kaya, hindi daw natatapos yung renovation nila dito. Sulit, ang ganda. Go! Okay na, go! Kaya na tayo lahat! Maganda yun! So, dito nila ginagawa yung mga parts sa sanctuary. Natin to. Thank you. Kapon ka. Nandito naman kami ngayon sa floating market. Man-made daw to. So yan, may mga street foods din dito. Oh, duck mouth.
Ito naman crocodile.
Grabe, crocodile.
Tignan mo naman kung maladap.
$200 baht yung entrance fee dito. Ingat to. 30, 40, 50. Yan. 40. Tapos 100 yung performance level. Pumunta kayo ng Thailand, huwag niyong papalagpasin itong mga milk tea nila. Ang sarap.
Para pwede mo rin dalhin sa butika.
Ito yung mga di amoy nila, oh. Magkano daw, Doc?
45 lang.
45. Ilan binili mo?
3. Tig-isa-isa kami.
Parang ano to? Deodorant ba? Saring. Ito yung usong-uso na ano. Tapos itong mga inhaler. Inhaler nila. Ito yung price. Iba-iba daw yung amoy niyan. Watermelon, then coconut ice cream. Siyempre dito walang something special. Pero maharap yung coconut ice cream. Plantita, parang magugustuhan niya dito. Ang lalaki ng mga halaman. Ano? No Notch Pattaya. Garden in the Sky. So yan. Dito tayo ngayon. Let's go! Meron na namang mga elephant. Hello! Sawadika! Hello!
ซ้ายมือเป็นพญาช้างโคจรสารช้างปั้นที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกนะครับสามารถเดินรถท้องช้างเพื่อความเป็นสิริมงคลได้นะครับขวามือจะเป็นสกาล่าเทียเตอร์โรงละครแสดงวัฒนธรรมวันละ4 รอบ 10 นาฬิกาครึ่ง 11 นาฬิกาครึ่ง
Dami mga bonsai. Sa Pilipinas ang mamahal niyan. Nag-enjoy yung mga plantita dito talaga. So, hello guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa I-700 bag. Meron na po tayo free bus.
ขวามือด้านล่างจะเป็นชแนกทองทองพันไป2 ท่านคือละ 2,000 บาทเพราะอาหารเช้าสวนกล้วยไม้สวนสับปะรดสีแก้วม้าคอย5:45
Si Bulbasaur. Sorry.
เดินได้ครับขวามือซ้ายมือจะเป็นสวนน้ำตก
Mas magandang
ถ้าเราจะเดินมาบอกปลาช่อนเราก็เดินออกตรงนี้จุดหลังช้างจะเดินมาออกเป็ดมดแล้วก็เดินมานี่ซ้ายมือต่อมาเป็นตึกมดนะครับ3,000 กว่าคน
Dami kabilaan.
อันนี้จะเป็นเส้นพับพึ่งส่วนอาหารพับพึ่งจะเดินออกมาเส้นนี้
Wow!
มีช้างอยู่ที่เราผ่านมาเดินออกมาทะลุนี่ซ้ายมือถัดมาเป็นส่วนอิตาเลียนซ้ายมือต่อมาเป็นศาลองค์เท้ามหาพรหมพร้อมด้วยรถแต่งรถแข่งรถสะสมรถวินเทจของท่านประธาน
Cute naman. Yung alaga ni Bella Porch. Saray. Hi, hello.
ทางนี้จะเป็นทางที่เราขึ้นรถถ้าเราเดินตรงนี้ก็จะใกล้แล้วก็ขวามือจะเป็นสวนรถพันไม้ซ้ายมือจะเป็นการจัดสวนแนวตั้งประหยัดพื้นที่
Uy, susu.
ด้านขวามือจะเรียกเป็นเสาเรียกว่าศาลาเทวดามีหลวงพ่อสุดใจอายุ100 กว่าปีประดิษฐานอยู่ด้านบนนะคือถัดมาจะเป็นสโตนเฮนจ์มินิจำลองมาจากประเทศอังกฤษใช้หินแม่น้ำทั้งหมด138 ก้อนจากอำเภอนาดีจังหวัดปราจีนบุรีซ้ายมือจะเป็นฟาร์มโลกทุกฟาร์มโลก
ไดโนเสาร์na malaki
ซ้ายมือเป็นฟาร์มใบพัดสีเงินฟาร์มที่สวยที่สุดในโลกนำมาจากประเทศคิวบาซ้ายมือจะเป็นมะพร้าวทะเล39 ปีถึงจะกินได้
โคโคนัท
นะครับอย่าลืมซื้อเป็นของฝากของขวัญนะครับซ้ายมือถัดมาจะเป็นสวนบัวนะครับบริเวณนี้เดินได้หมดครับถัดมาจะเป็นต้นบาบับนะครับต้นไม้กับหัวจากประเทศแอฟริกานะครับซ้ายมือถัดมาจะเป็นสวนไม้สีเงินทุกสายพันธุ์นะครับทั้งอากาเว่ทั้งปาล์มนะครับถึงแล้วนะครับภูเขา
ไดโนเสาร์ang daming bato be. Lalaking bato. Ding ang bato. Ang laki ng bato. Tada. So maganda din yung place sila dito. Ang daming mga spot na pwede kang magpa-picture, ganyan, may stone, may dinosaur. Ang daming mga rebulto be. So yun, nag-rent din kami ng bus. Ang binayaran namin dito is 700 baht per head. So yan, nakakapagod kasi nagmamadali kami. Kasi nga po, late na naman po kami nakarating. Pag late nakarating, kailangan magmadali. So yun na, ang dami oh. Dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar. Amin nyo naman mga bi. May zebra pa there. Over there. Ang dami.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Body. Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
So, yun na nga po, sobrang na-enjoy ko tong trip na to at nakakapagod. So, sobrang pagod, nakalimutan ko mag-outro. Ang total expenses namin is 13,345 baht and per head is 2,669 baht.